Okay, this is activity 4 on the Relative Motion Lab, and this is a problem where you have the boat crossing the river's flowing to the north, and you're over here on this side of the river at a dock, and you want to cross to the opposite side of the river to the dock on the other side. Well, the dock on the other side is that book. Okay, so the question is, you want to get across the river from one side to the other, straight across, but the river is flowing that way. How do you do that? Well, it turns out if you point your boat right at the dock, that the current in the river will take the boat to the north, and you'll miss the dock to the north. So what you have to do is point your boat to the south. And then as the river moves, it will bring the boat back to the dock. Okay, so we're going to try that. Okay? Okay, and my lab assistant here is going to pull the river, and now I'm going to point it upriver. Okay, I'm going to point it upriver. She's going to let the river flow downriver, and we're going to see if we can make it to the dock on the other side. Okay, here we go. Very good, excellent. Okay, so you see what happened? I pointed the boat upstream, but the river was flowing downstream. So that actually what happened in the end was the boat ended up straight across the river, because there was part of the velocity was upriver, and part of the velocity was across the river, and part of the velocity was downriver, and they all compensated to get you across the river. Okay?